With prices on just about everything sky high right now, more and more people are turning to solar to save money on energy bills. But there are some roof issues that can occur when installing solar. Stay tuned and find out what they are. Starting with number 1, roof leaks. Solar panels are bolted onto the roof, and that's usually where the leaks occur if the solar panels are installed incorrectly. So make sure you do some research on your next solar company and make sure that they know how to install your roof correctly. Number 2, roof age. If your roof is already a few years old before the solar panels are installed, your roof is going to need replacing before the solar panels do. So something to consider is your roof's age. Try to make it as close as possible or as new as possible as the solar panels you're installing, as removing and reinstalling the solar panels is so costly that it's going to wash out all the energy savings that you're going to get. Number 3, roof strength. Solar panels are 40 pounds. Your roof has to be able to support the additional weight. So luckily, solar panel companies, or at least the legitimate ones, have structural engineers that come and check out your roof and make sure it can support the weight of the solar panels. Number 4, roof nest. Something that doesn't get talked about or is ignored is the fact that solar panels are the perfect place for animals and critters and birds to nest and have eggs. So make sure that you periodically check your roof and observe any nest underneath your solar panels. And lastly, number 5, roof warranties. Before you have the solar panels installed, make sure that you check with your roofing company that installed your roof. If you install it without checking with the roofing company, your roof warranty will be voided. So make sure you do that before you do anything else.
That's it for this week. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more content just like this. See you next time, and take care.